You've been hiding in the shadows.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and I am starting a new series on my weight loss journey. So I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, because I'm probably gonna upload a couple times a week. And so tomorrow I'm gonna use my little Keto Mojo just to get a baseline to see where my ketones are, my blood sugar levels. I'm probably gonna start this journey out eating more protein just to get myself into ketosis, mainly protein, drink lots of water. I'm gonna cook some little egg bites here soon and go ahead and make some bacon. That way it will be in the refrigerator for a nice healthy protein snack or for breakfast. Today for lunch, I'm having a hamburger patty, and also I made some no bean chili. I had shared that recipe in a video. If you haven't checked it out, please check it out. There's also a low carb grocery haul in that video. So yesterday was my birthday and I turned 55 years old, and Saturday we were going to go out and meet some friends. So we went to a little restaurant that we go to a lot. And when I walked in with my husband, Justin, everyone was there. He had thrown me, well, him and my daughter had put together a surprise birthday party. It was the first time I've ever had a surprise birthday party. Well, needless to say, we really carved it up this weekend, because on the menu of the birthday party, we had pretzel bites, chicken nuggets, which was fried my fish bites, and also deep fried mac and cheese. It was delicious. It was so good. And my daughter had ordered this beautiful cake. I will insert a photo of it. And also cupcake. Let me show you one of the cupcakes, I think. Yes, it was really, really, really good. But anyway, it was sugar, pure sugar. So we're gonna get this journey started and say bye to all the processed foods, the bad sugars and the grains, and start eating healthier. And I hope you follow me on this journey. So I'm going to get started on those egg bites. All right, here's the ingredients that I'm gonna use. The eggs, heavy whipping cream, Jimmy Dean's cooked sausage, Mexican cheese, salt, pepper, and I use the Redmond's real salt.
It's the least I can do. You know I was trying, it was never enough. I needed somebody, but it got too much. And I know that I've got my problems, and sometimes I lay them on you. But hear me out and give me a chance to say it out loud. Pray for me while I pick up the pieces, turning things around. And maybe things will get better, so wait for me on the other side. I got you by my side. A million reasons for me to see clear, and you're in the middle, so I feel no fear. And I know that I've got my problems, and sometimes I lay them on you. But hear me out and give me a chance.
bites are done, and I went ahead and cooked some bacon, and the house smells wonderful. So join me tomorrow. We're gonna start this journey. Hope we can do it together, bring each other some motivation, healthier life, healthier lifestyle. And so the goal this year is to get healthy, and join me tomorrow because I'm gonna use my little keto mojo, get a baseline, I'm gonna weigh, and come up with what's my goal weight, what I wanna lose, and kind of come up with a plan. So see y'all tomorrow. Bye.